Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
High pressure has been in control, bringing us this very warm weather today, but big changes arrive tomorrow. A pretty potent storm system out in the Pacific. It's heading in our direction, and it's not only going to crank up the winds tomorrow across the region, but also going to bring the threat for thunderstorms. Let's talk about the winds, though, first. We will see things cranking up with those southerly winds in the Shasta Valley and the east side. These high wind warnings going into effect later in the day and then into the evening tomorrow. Gusts up to 65 to 70 miles per hour. We're going to be most concerned about the winds along the coast with that high wind warning as we head into your Thursday. We also have some wind advisories, including in the Klamath Basin. Gusts up to 55 miles per hour and then gusts up to 45 miles per hour possible in the Rogue Valley tomorrow, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Wednesday. That wind advisory is in place for. Showers and thunderstorms will fire up as we go throughout the day. Best odds will be as we head into the afternoon, up to 76 in Medford, 70 in Klamath Falls for tomorrow. Still pretty warm. Here's a look at that thunderstorm outlook. It's going to be in this darker green shade area where we could see one or two storms on the strong to severe side with some damaging wind gusts and maybe some larger hail up to an inch or so in diameter. The bigger severe threat is a bit further to the north where we have a slight risk of severe weather in that yellow. Storms will also be capable of abundant lightning, frequent lightning, and then also very heavy downpours. We'll be tracking things very closely as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Most of the morning looks fairly quiet. It's as we get into the afternoon, we're going to start to see those clouds billowing up, some of those showers and storms firing. Most widespread activity along and west of the Cascades, just isolated showers and storms for the east side. As we head into Thursday, we're going to get more rounds of wet weather to work through the region. Definitely going to be wetter as you get towards the coast. Curry, Josephine County, portions of Siskiyou County, not as soggy for the Medford area and points to the east of the Cascades, but it does look like we'll see more widespread rain and higher elevation snow as we head into Friday. Notice the cool down highs stuck in the 50s in the Rogue Valley on Friday. Here's a look at rainfall. This is basically from tomorrow through Friday afternoon. You'll notice those higher precipitation amounts definitely towards Curry and Josephine County. Your 7-day forecast shapes out like this: wet and windy in the days ahead. Some of that rain will be heavy at times. Northern California, strong winds developing in the Shasta Valley tomorrow, seeing the threat for thunderstorms, more windy weather on Thursday. We're going to see some strong winds for the basin the next couple of days. Notice that big cool down in temperatures through the rest of the week. For the mountains, high snow levels tomorrow, but those snow levels will come down by Friday. Snow levels between 4,000 to 5,000 feet. And then in the Rogue Valley, tracking the threat for thunderstorms tomorrow, especially in the afternoon. We'll see some gusty winds as well, and it stays pretty active in the days ahead. More storm systems to keep an eye on as we get towards the end of the weekend and right on into next week.